Lexus LFA supercar is, or was, the most selective vehicle at any point worked by the world's biggest car maker. Just 500 of the outlandish carbon fiber 200 miles per hour V10s will be sold at $375,000 each. Presently the circuit-centered LFA Nürburgring package is set to be uncovered. Just 50 such 562 bhp vehicles will be delivered with reconsidered streamlined features and specialized refinements intended to tweak the fascinating two-situate sports car to be equipped for lapping the mythical Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit under 720. Presently the normal Gomer needs something beyond a wad of money, mechanical measured gonads and a sweet taking care of, fiercely effective auto to get around the green hell inside 8 minutes, not to mention 720. So the cost incorporates exceptional guideline sessions on the circuit into the deal. The auto can be had in white, orange or dark at $445,000 or in and matte dark for $465,000, making it the most costly Japanese street auto ever. The cost additionally incorporates an evening's convenience at the circuit, an extraordinary coat which will mean the wearer is one of the 50 to have experienced the experience, and a 1-year go to the circuit so you can take a shot at your lap times. The Nürburgring Package LFA will be shown in broad daylight out of the blue at the Geneva Engine Demonstrator fortnight from now, and as there might be 50 sold, may we propose you contact your Lexus merchant at the present time on the off chance that you need one. On the off chance that your point of view on Japanese games autos is that they won't slice it contrasted with the best the Germans, Italians and British bring to the table, think again. Nissan's GTR has effectively shown that Japanese autos can do the business without a top-notch sticker price. However, it isn't Lexus' goal to sponsor the purchasing cost excessively. Gossip has it that the decade-long improvement crusade couldn't in any way, shape or form be amortized successfully crosswise over only 500 autos, and regardless of how they juggle the numbers, each LFA costs significantly more to create and work than the insignificant $375,000 you're being requested to part with. In time, for example, this current, it's extremely just conceivable to think about the LFA as a horrendously costly limited time practice intended to assemble some brand and incentive and the tip-top donning classification. There is almost certainty that Lexus could charge more for the vehicle. Its point is to have the 500 autos full scale there, all being driven, all with indistinguishable by estimating, and with a proprietorship encounter second to none. It's bizarre. However, the LFA's crude numbers don't do it equity. It just has 552 bhp standard, and tips the scales at more than 1,500 kilograms. So it's not a vehicle you'd quickly think would be a circuit weapon in standard trim. The central architect on the task, Haruhiko Tanahashi, specified amid the discharge at the Nürburgring in Germany a year ago that the LFA had lapped the Nürburgring Nordschleife in superior to 7 minutes 20 seconds.